Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can create blogs with System.io. First open up your dashboard. Now select the blogs option from the top bar. Now click on create. Give it a name, a URL path, and select a template and click on save. Now you can see the blog you just created. Go to view to see your blog. Now to customize your blog, click on the blog. Now you will see a list of titles. Select one and you will be taken to your blog where you can edit the content. You can add elements to the places of your liking just by dragging and dropping an element from the side panel. You can even add more elements inside the previous element. You can add a table of contents just by dragging and dropping. You can even go to blocks to see templated blocks of various categories which you can use in your blog just by clicking on it. Once you are done, click on Save Changes and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.